Let's take a look at a word problem. At 8 a.m., the temperature is 43 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature increases 2 degrees Fahrenheit each hour for the next 7 hours. We're going to graph the temperature over time. So T equals 0 represents 8 a.m. and we're going to use the variable of T. So first of all, what type of function can we use to model the data? So it's asking, do we want to use a quadratic? Do we want to use linear? Do we want to use constant? What do we want to use? So let's go back and look at the words in our word problem. So at 8 a.m., the temperature is 43 degrees. And then the temperature increases 2 degrees Fahrenheit each hour for the next 7 hours. And then we know that at 8 a.m., that is going to be time 0. So time, let's just call this time 0 here. And then if it increases 2 degrees each hour, what type of function do you think we should use? Well, in this case, we want to use a linear type of function. And the reason why is because the temperature increases at a constant rate. Okay, it's always the same, a constant rate of change. So we know that at 8 a.m. or time 0, we're at 43 degrees. And then we also know that it increases 2 degrees each hour for 7 hours. So let's fill in the table. At time 0, we're at 43 degrees. Now, each hour, so let's just label as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours. So if it's 43 degrees for the first hour, the next hour it's going to be what? 45 degrees. Sorry, let me fix that. So this is 45, then 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, and 57 degrees. So let's make a graph. So let's kind of break the graph for a minute because, so we do this little squiggly here to show, because we don't need it to start at 0, right? And then go to 43. So let's just break it and let's just say right here, this is going to be 43 degrees. And then I'm just going to go everyone 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, and 57 degrees. Then over here on the right, I'm just going to label it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's as far as we went. Now at time 0, so 0 here, time 0, this is 0, we are at 43 degrees. Time 1, we went up 2 degrees, and then it just increases 2 degrees each hour, and so we just get a line. And so here's the graph. So we can make a conclusion. So we have a graph, and what kind of conclusion can you come up with? So conclusion we can make is that the temperature is increasing. Temperature is increasing at the same interval each hour.